Mm, mm. Yeah, I feel you. Yeah. I didn't see you there, friend. Listen, today we're going to be talking about something insane. How do we even make sound? Right? How do we make sound? I'm going to explain that all to you in this informative, lovely, well put together video. Let's get started. Transition. Well, first, we need to look at the aspects of the breathing system, or you could call it the respiratory system, if you want to be fancy. Now I'm going to start off with the lungs, the diaphragm, and the intercostal muscles. Now, you may be like, what are those things? You know what the lungs are. I know you went to school. So let me tell you what they all do. But before all that, right, what even is an actuator? Right, I had to Google this before. I'm just kidding. Lois, I know you're watching this. I know my stuff. I know. The actuators are the actual organs. They convert energy or a signal from the brain into a motion. For example, like when you need to breathe, your diaphragm, which is located around this area right here, it's getting a little bit personal. So your diaphragm will contract, therefore expanding your lungs by increasing the length of the chest cavity. I don't even know my body. I'm just living. I didn't know my body does all this for me. Now I've explained the diaphragm and how the lungs are incorporated in that. What is an intercostal muscle, right? What even? Did you know? We're about to find out, buddy. Yeah, that's right. I'm about to lay some facts on you about the intercostal muscles. Without the intercostal muscles, your rib cage would not be able to move. So your lungs would only breathe like this. So the intercostal muscles actually help expand your rib cage. Yep, you heard me. Your ribs move when you breathe. Maybe you knew that, but I didn't. So that creates more room for the oxygen to get into your lungs and, actually breathe. Move that out of the way. Now we're moving on to the vibrator. Now, before you say anything, it's the larynx, the voice box. Okay? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what you thought as well, right? So what does it look like? Well, the larynx is hollow, completely hollow, because it's in your throat. How do you think you breathe? It's connected to the trachea. What's the trachea? It's a windpipe. I know my stuff. Okay? Well, I wouldn't be making a video about it if I didn't. So, and inside the larynx, there's an epiglottis. Sounds a bit of a funny word, epiglottis. If you say it too much, it may sound weird. So no, stop. Wait, stop. And when you're eating, yeah, your epiglottis. I've said it too much now. I can't say it at all. The epiglottis closes off while eating, so your food doesn't go down the wrong hole. I know you've had an experience like that. Don't tell me you haven't inhaled sherbet before from those little tubes. I know you have. Maybe it's just me. And the larynx produces vocal sounds as well. So it's pretty much it's a double threat, probably triple threat, quadruple threat. Say you're singing a little tune, right? The pitch raises, your larynx tightens, and it vibrates. That's how you make that pitch, and vice versa. You could also think of the larynx as rubber bands. As air rushes from your lungs, it vibrates your larynx to create a pitch. Who would know? Now listen, I've waffled on about the vibrator for way too long. The larynx. I'm watching you. I am. Who's that behind you? Yeah, I'm joking. No, I'm being serious. Who is that? Moving on to the resonators. This is going to be resonating in your mind. This video is going to be... Hello? So, what do the resonators consist of? Bit funny you asked me that, mate, because I have it already in my mind. The lips, the teeth, the mouth, and the throat. You kind of sound like you're about to break into rap, but is there any way you can tell me more about these resonators? Oh yeah, probably. Are you sure you want to know? Some deep stuff, I can't lie. I don't know if you'll be able to handle it. Are you kidding me? I can handle anything. I grazed my knee while healing last week, so... Okay, you asked for it. Without your resonators, you wouldn't be able to talk. I'm talking about you'd be able to create a noise. You just wouldn't be able to pronunciate anything. For example, you use our tongue, teeth, and lips to pronounce different letters and words. And that's what makes people's voices recognizable and understandable. Very crazy. But did you handle it? You want to know a fun fact? I'm speaking to both of you. So do you? No? Oh, okay. Well, I'm pretty sure the exit full screen button is there. You know, just pop and swipe. Go watch it. Just kidding, I'm going to tell you anyway. Did you know that when you whisper, your vocal cords don't vibrate? Now, listen. Ready? Can you hear the vibrations? You can feel it. Try it for yourself. Try it at home. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've had fun filming it. As much fun as I can have in 23 minutes. Anyways, have a nice time, guys. I'll see you in another life. Probably won't. Maybe I'll make another video. And I'm out of here. See you next time, guys.